Hello my bunnies, it's Tiki's Trinkets here, and today I have for y'all another speed drawing type video. This is just going to be a quick little video. It's not going to be the full drawing in a speed drawing format because even sped up times 3 or 5 times as fast, this video would take a long time. I'm just not as proficient with digital drawings like I am with clay, but even my clay does take a long time, so I don't know what I'm talking about. But it just would take way too long if I did it all in just like in this video alone. I'd have to do like a 2-part video to do the full thing as a speed drawing. So you're going to see most of all of this drawing. And this is the last of the Cryptid Cutie Critter series. So finally I am done with that. And the next series is going to be cottagecore critters. So, excuse me. So the next series is going to be more earthy type things, more natural things, more natural creatures. But they're also going to be like hybrid cute creatures with backstories, adoption certificates. I'm going to make them as sculptures, rings, digital drawings, pins, keychains, the same thing I did with the last series. But instead of 6 characters, which took over a year, I'm just going to do 3 characters. That way I can do more series quickly. 3 just seems to be an easier number to tackle in every shape and form. Because if I do rings, sculptures, this, that, and all of them, it takes a long time for me to get everything made. Excuse me, sorry. But that is the next big thing in mind. I'm not going to say what the creatures are yet or what the themes besides cottagecore will be. You will see it when I make it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm just going to lay music over it, except for I think maybe one part there's some talking, but I can't quite remember. If there is, the music will pan out. You'll hear me talking about that particular part, and then it'll go back in the music. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for the new subscribers. I'm currently at 318, so yay! I'm trying really hard to get to 400 by the end of this year, maybe a little more before then. So please stay tuned for more content from me, and I will try to keep uploading YouTube shorts throughout each week as well. I'm doing the best I can on that. I'm trying to do regular, short, and I'm having a hard time getting a balance in it, but I'm working on it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you all in next week's video, which I don't know what it'll be yet, but you will know when I know. Love you guys very much. See you in the video. Bye-bye, my bunny.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Okay, for this part, I just had to pause the music so I could show you this part in action. Before I learned how to do this, I was just doing the outline of my drawings using a freehand style or a tool like a line tool or a circle tool, depending on what I was drawing, or just by taking the brush and just pardon me. I forgot I was on the wand tool already, or just taking the freehand brush and just doing it freehanded. But that's not very efficient nor very fast, and I wanted my lines to look a bit smoother. So I'm using the technique that I've figured out online on YouTube, which I linked in the very first digital video I did, how I did my drawings, how I do the outlines for my stickers. That's linked. That video is linked under that video. But I'm going to take part of that technique and use it to make an outline for the actual different body pieces or the different art. So what you want to do is go to the layer that you want to outline. Right here I'm outlining the body color, so that's why I'm on the body layer. So then we're going to go to the wand tool and we're going to select the item that we want to do an outline on. I'm also going to make the head part invisible just so you can clearly see the whole body shape
which I know it looks a little funny, but it's got it right now. Also, I'm using a mouse for this part because I can get the wand to select it, but I don't know how to right click with like the pen. I'm trying to figure that out. Like, let me grab the pen. If I double click it, no. If anybody knows how to use the drawing stylus, the pen itself, to do a double click, somebody please let me know. Or do a right click like on a mouse like that, please let me know. But anyways, now that we have this selected, we're going to right click on our mouse and go down to transform. Then we're going to go to stroke selection and make sure you use these settings in order to make the outline of the object. Solid line, custom color using whatever color you want. The width, I chose a pixel size of 8, but you can use a pixel size of any size you want. It's a little bit smaller than I did for the ears and the head. And for the fill, put none. We don't need a fill. We don't want it filling the item or anything else like that. We just want to create an outline. Once you get it how you want, just click OK, and that'll create the outline. Oops, I had the canvas selected. Let me undo that. Deselect everything. Do this one more time. Okay, the canvas is not selected now. Transform. Stroke selection. Okay, there we go. Now when we're done, just right click again and deselect. Now let me put the head back where it goes, and ta-da! As you can see, it creates an almost perfect outline. I know that it's not 100% the same as like the outlines I did on these with the circle tools, and it's a little bit cleaner than the outlines I did on the spots because I had to freehand those, but I just think it's a much easier way to do an outline if you are comfortable with, you know what I mean, like with your techniques and just liking how it looks, then this is a much faster, much more efficient way to do an outline of an object. If the item is a solid item. Now, if you have like a partial item like this, you'll probably have to go piece by piece. But hey, it's still a lot faster way to do it. Just like how I made the body with the circle piece just a few minutes ago. Break everything down in the shapes and simplicity. It makes it a whole lot easier. Man, when I look back at my old videos, I cringe on how bad I was with digital drawing, but it's all a learning process. Obviously, I'm already getting way better at it, and I just wanted to give this little helpful tip for y'all. If I think of any other helpful tips and tricks along the way, I will always mention it. I might make a whole video just to specifically mention that, but that'll be later on if I do. Alright, let's go ahead and get back into this, and I'm going to take the body color. I am going to lower the opacity because I'm about to do the white parts on the body color. I will see you guys there.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it, I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret and frenemies. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest, everybody on their fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant, I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right